Learn how to easily paint and decorate mini pumpkins. Paint the pumpkin with gold metallic acrylic paint. For this project, I'm using plastic pumpkins. I also like to paint the stem because it looks really good. I like to make different styles of the mini pumpkins. This one I'm painting with copper metallic paint. Paint leaves and flowers. Add beads to the center of the flowers and the leaves, and glue them to the front of the painted pumpkin. Draw swirls on the front of the pumpkin with 3D metallic paint. Be creative and add as few or as many as you would like. I also like to add a different color metallic 3D paint. I think it looks really nice. Didn't these turn out beautiful? They're perfect for a Thanksgiving table or a fall decoration. Thanks for watching. Till next time, bye!